Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to log out WhatsApp account. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your WhatsApp apps, tap on your WhatsApp. After that, tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on your account. You can see here more option. Now need your option cannot see that. Now go back to your home screen. After that, go to your phone setting. Tap on your setting. Scroll down little bit. Find here apps. Tap on this. Search here WhatsApp. Tap on this. Scroll down little bit. Tap on storage. You can see here two options, clear data and clear cache. Tap on your clear cache. After that, tap on your clear data. Delete your data. Now, by clearing cache and clearing data on WhatsApp, you can easily log out WhatsApp, but you will lose your data. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.